Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by trimming any excess length and removing loose edges so the acetone can reach the bond. That reduces pulling. Next, file the shiny top layer with 180 grit just enough to dull the surface. This speeds penetration. Once done, soak cotton in pure acetone and place it over each nail, then wrap with foil to trap heat and solvent. You're doing this to dissolve the adhesive evenly rather than forcing the extension off, which prevents pain and lifting. Once the initial soak period passes, check one nail by unwrapping and testing gently with an orange wood stick at a low angle. You want the extension to slide off with minimal effort. If it resists, rewrap and soak another 5–10 minutes. Patience prevents pain. Use slow, small pushes instead of forceful pries so you don't lift or tear the natural nail. Make sure to work nail by nail and resoak rather than pulling. This keeps removal controlled and painless. You finish by gently buffing any remaining adhesive with a fine buffer. Be careful not to overfile the nail plate. Once clean, wash hands, apply cuticle oil to restore lipids, and follow with a rich hand moisturizer to rehydrate the skin and nails. If a stubborn patch won't budge, do not pry. Resoak for another cycle or consult a nail technician to prevent damage. This final care restores strength and reduces sensitivity after extended acetone exposure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.